A fine art photography print depicting a young elk in close portrait against a softly blurred forest background, with alert ears, gentle eyes, and richly textured for creating an intimate wildlife composition. The warm brown tones, natural woodland setting, and detailed facial features make this animal portrait both calm and striking. This wildlife photography print works beautifully in rustic homes, cabins, lodges, offices, bedrooms, and nature-inspired spaces that celebrate forest life and North American wildlife. When I photographed this young elk, I was captivated by the quiet expression and the way its face seemed both watchful and serene at the same time. I wanted to frame the portrait closely so the eyes, ears, and texture of the coat would carry the story, while the darker forest behind it would keep the focus on that calm, living presence. It felt like one of those rare moments in nature when an animal pauses just long enough to let you truly see it. A photograph like this adds warmth, stillness, and a sense of natural connection to a room while honoring the quiet beauty of wildlife. It brings in the feeling of wooded landscapes, patient observation, and the gentle strength found in wild creatures. Displayed in a home, office, guest room, or cabin retreat, it offers a lasting impression of forest calm and the timeless appeal of a young elk portrait.